So we start off today's video with someone who has mid-length hair, and she decides to switch things up with this cute bob style. And then we move into someone who has long dark hair, and she decided to switch things up by getting some layers. She looks absolutely beautiful, rocking out the layered haircut trend. Very nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more before and after hair transformations. Here we have someone who decided to switch things up with a shoulder length bob style. Followed by someone else who decided to go from mid-length hair to a bob. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So our next major hair transformation includes someone else who decided to go shorter. Another nice, beautiful shoulder length bob look. She's got the tousled curls with that one. Wow, beautiful shoulder length bob with the curtain bangs. Beautifully done. And then we see another layered haircut style. Followed by another bob and color change. Wow, beautiful chocolate brown. Very pretty. So let us know in the comments below which hair transformation is your favorite. I love the layered look because it does give you that nice volumized effect. It's definitely one of the hottest hair trends that we are seeing this year. So our last transformation features someone who has some thinning hair. The stylist ends up coloring the hair and does this beautiful pixie style. Now what I like about this look too is that it has a nice choppy texture to it. And he does an amazing job of covering up the balding area beautifully done. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.